Remediation of invalid EUIN transactions through the Partner Assist portal is simple. Just follow these steps. First, visit the PGIM India Partner Assist portal. Log in using your ARN and PAN and enter the captcha shown on the screen. On the dashboard, select Transaction History and then click on the EUIN Remediation tab. Select an individual transaction or choose Select All if you want to update EUIN for multiple transactions at once. Then click on the Update EUIN button. Enter the correct EUIN and click Submit. That's it. The EUIN has been successfully updated for all selected transactions. Ensure all remediation is completed within 30 days from the transaction date. You can also access EUIN remediation directly through the standalone link displayed on your screen.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.